I had an issue before where somebody was using my code on their website. This is a problem because I don't know how their website is being run. I don't know if it has inappropriate content on it. I don't know where the traffic is coming from. It could be bot traffic. The person could be clicking on the ads. So this could be cause a lot of different problems for my account. So the way that I dealt with this was to go into the settings options in Google AdSense, and on the left hand side under access and authorization, you'll see site authorization. So if you enable this feature, it will protect your site because if you don't list your websites on here, then Google won't basically get you in trouble for anything that happens for sites that aren't authorized. So I had all in mind just to protect myself. I don't want to lose my account or anything like that. One thing that you have to remember though is every time you create a new site, you have to remember to put it on this list. Otherwise, you won't be getting any revenue from it because Google won't be charging advertisers for it.